Okay, let's come over and look at the European indices this morning. I'm going to start with the German DAX. It's come deeper than I would have liked to have seen, but this still counts as a 1-2 to the upside, providing we hold above the low here at 12,120. If we take it out, I think we're going to drop into this support zone here between 11,886 and 12,061, and we've just simply got a larger 1 A, B, A, B, C for a WXY for this 2. Before we head up in the 3 in the German DAX. If I just bring that all the way down to an hourly chart, if that's the 5 up for the 1, it does count and fib out very well as a completed 5. And the 2 back, we've just hit the 886, and we're starting to bounce relatively strongly on a micro level now in the German DAX. So looking for that to continue up, but until we take out 12,597. No confirmation that we've got the local low in, but I'm looking much, much higher in the German DAX ultimately. FTSE, so it's started to come down. It took this low out from the other day. I would like to see at least 73.67 in the FTSE for this 50% retrace of the move up from the late March low. And at the moment, it's kind of head threatening to get down there, but it's, excuse me, bounced quite strongly off this 138.2 for the A to C relationship, or sorry, for a completed diagonal. So it may be that we don't get to the retrace fib, and of all the blooming things to track, the FTSE is the one that's most likely not to give us a hit on a retrace fib. So what I've done, I've got a position, quite a large position long in the German DAX, and I'm avoiding trading the FTSE on this next leg up.